YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy out 10 Clark Street Shutdown King Elite Status. Shout it, man. What's going on? What's going on, man? And today, man, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the 6x9s in the rear deck of the Camaro. Stay around for it. Alright, we got the side-by-side comparison of the factory Boston Acoustics 6x9s. And they were hell to get out. Chevy no better than that, man. All the stuff you gotta take out just to get to these speakers is ridiculous, man. But anyway, the new ones that's going in. Hifonics Alpha 6x9s. The reason I grab Hifonics 6x9s is, for one, the time in which I ordered these was right after the pandemic, and it was like I couldn't find any Pioneer 6x9s anywhere, because I normally get Pioneer. So since I couldn't find any in stores, and plus I already had some Hifonics, I'm trying to think, is it 6.5, something like that, and the front door speakers, I went online and ordered these, and I replaced the door speakers maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah. So anyway, man, side by side comparison, and I'm about to get to work on these junk. All right, and as you can see, Chevy, man, they on that bullshit, cause as y'all can see, man, the speaker is kind of made into this bracket that holds it. So in order for me to get this to work, I'm gonna have to cut the original speaker out and rig this up to work, because I'm not finna order no adapter or no bracket online, man. I'm finna just make it work, you feel me? Okay. With the help of the trusty Dremel, took the old speaker, cut it out, just like that. New speaker fits right inside. Right inside. Now what I'm gonna do, with this soldering iron, I'm gonna solder the connections together, screw it in, hook it back up. It's that easy. Okay guys, my first time trying to solder anything, but they soldered on. And this back part is for the tweeters. So all I gotta do now is simply plug it in, slam, one, bang. Okay, move the soldering iron. But speakers in the adapter, bracket, whatever you want to call it, it's soldered in, and Got this wire coming from the back. This is where I'm gonna use this extra speaker wire to run my tweeter. So now I'm about to put it back in the car. Hey man, it shouldn't be this much damn work just to change out the 6x9s in this car, man. If you didn't know already, you gotta take out the entire back seats. You gotta take out this panel right here. The panel that goes right here. All these panels along here before you can finally get to that. They are finally installed in the car. And man, I've been fooling with this for some hours now. But it's finally good now. I don't know exactly how this is gonna sound on video because I'm sitting right over here by this tweeter, and this tweeter is kind of damn loud. But yeah, man, I don't have it turned over loud because our neighbors, I live by a bunch of old people, so I try to be respectful and whatnot. But 6x9s installed, tweeters installed. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly how the quality, the sound quality is gonna be because the camera is like right here by this tweeter. It's screaming in my ear. But they working. Hey, so like I said, man, more stuff on the way. So if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. More stuff on the way. Let's see, man. Some of it's coming slow, but hey, it's coming, man. You know, got a regular 9-to-5 job, man. When I get off work a lot of time, man, be too tired to do a lot of stuff, man. So try to get it in when I can, but I'll say probably tomorrow evening, if I had time, I'm gonna put everything back together in the back. And next video should be me putting the door panels back on and letting y'all see how the shadow lights look when they're actually on the car. I was gonna do the door panels first, but then that's not gonna take long to do, man. This was a lot of work today, man. So stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? And wait till I get back on that box Chevy over there, man. That's what a lot of people want to see anyway. A lot of people keep asking me, man, when you gonna do something to that box Chevy? Let's get it clear, man. The box Chevy is still my favorite car, man. It's still my favorite car. But to get that car the way I want it, whoo, it's gonna be a lot of money, man. You know what I mean? A lot of money. But that joint right there is coming, man. It's coming, man. So stay tuned for it, man. And we're gonna holler.